In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn notifications on or off in Microsoft Outlook. If you're trying to reduce distractions or make sure you never miss an important message, controlling alerts and sounds is a great place to start. I'll walk you through both classic Outlook on the desktop and the new Outlook experience, including Outlook on the web, so you can tailor notifications to your workflow with confidence. Let's begin in classic Outlook, the desktop app. Open Outlook, then go to the File menu in the top left. Choose Options, and in the window that opens, select Mail. Here, look for the Message Arrival section. You'll see two key controls: display a desktop alert and play a sound. Desktop alert is the small pop-up that appears near the taskbar when a new message arrives. Play a sound is the chime that accompanies it. Check these boxes to turn them on, or uncheck them to turn them off. If you want a quieter inbox but still want visual cues, leave desktop alert on and turn off the sound. If total focus is your goal, turn both off and check your inbox on your schedule. If you manage multiple accounts or only want alerts for specific messages, use Rules for finer control. Go to File, then Manage Rules Alerts. Click New Rule and choose an option that lets you specify conditions for when alerts should appear, then select Display a Desktop Alert as the action. This lets you, for example, receive pop-ups only for a particular account or type of message, while keeping everything else silent. It's a simple way to highlight what truly matters. Now, for new Outlook and Outlook on the web, click the Settings gear icon in the top right. From there, go to View Settings, then open General, and select Notifications. You'll see toggles you can turn on or off for Mail, Calendar, and Documents. Switch these to match your preference. Turn them on to get banner notifications and off to keep interruptions to a minimum. For sound controls, expand the section you care about, such as Mail, then open New Mail Notifications and check or uncheck Play Sound. That's where you decide whether incoming emails chime or arrive quietly. Make a small change, then give it a moment to take effect. To wrap up, pick the setup that supports your focus: quick banners, sound cues, both, or neither. If you want to confirm it's working, send yourself a test email after you adjust the settings. Thanks for watching.